Omwanchwa omurigereri Gusii TV karibu na inde ase channel ye tunyakoba tokumanya ayagenderete mono korwa ase orogongoro rwa Gusii. Some of you mwanyarire koba mokondigia abande mukongakire simi abande mukondikire message kubwatekana ninganeri yanyarite koba keokolekana mwisonde ime ya Daraja Mbili Kisii County ase omusubati oyomo serieta korokwa Esther onyarite koba kagusiri obogima ase keri kyanyarite koba kyukwandeka buna ne gas kyanyarite koba gekoribuka koirira omusubati oyu korokwa Esther kosiri obogima bwae na omusacha oye oyu aserieta barugete Fred ko sustain severe injuries na igo wika buna tokwa naiga nagenderete korwanirira obogima bwae ase enyagitari ya Kisii level 6. Korende engana elio yachete mapema eyo yanyate koba circulated online buna egento kirirete ogosiria obogima na umusacha go sustain injury no muripuko wegasi talibo buna tokwa naiga postmortem yanyari koba kegokorwa. The pathologist amerifil ya kwamba according to the postmortem results this lady nanya itakoba kakoba strangled iko, in other words umuswati oyo nabaminire bigoti according to the postmortem results. Number 2, egasi bagoteba yaripugete ega cause the loss now talibo after the incident egasi yu injanyore kanete kere intact. Number 3, iyekotebekana nga omusacha oyo okorokwa nga Freddy oyu orenge omwanchwa bwa Esther nyagosira nere the main suspect in this whole incident nere uchageti umuriro nere omwagete Petrol kumuita omwanchwa abo ase omukaso oyu ngwaniga bunesi na nyarire koba at the time of making this video twanyarire koba tokoigo chinkwana korwa se maid you told you kubata video echo at the end of today or before the end of today twanyale koba toko twara chingwana cha neighbors una tocho kubata video by the end of today namangana twanyale koba toko yuwa namangana yogo chana amwanchwa omurigereria buna muchi kotegerera video echo korende tigante veiga mechima buru ko ebira maybe omwancho motegereri bitubite amange what we are being fed outside here etiho sisi tukopoa tunakaa vizuri talibo uisa wotuborerwa ebirama byakero monto amangano oranyora ime neigare ayogokumia nonaye oraibesko banga you are better. So ilikuwa hivi, without wasting time I'm giving you a summary because the whole story nitakuleta once the videos are ready. I just summarize in a few. I just want to take very few minutes possible mbaeleza igoro ekikia korekanete mbaka manganaya agacha gotokea. Number 1, and according to the nanny, according to the maid, in the past 6 months abanta babere the couple abanta babere mpaigwana ini mbabwate utaigwana asinyombeyo. Reason ninki, according to the nanny akotanga they were accusing each other of cheating. Umusacha awakiusi omukungu they are cheating, omukungu omwakiusi umusacha of cheating. So ogotaiwana okaba asi nyumba there were fight after fight every now and then chisegi nyumba ogotaiwana no koruterana amangana ayuna amangana ye made ose enani omukori gasi wenyumba eyu. This thing escalated mpaka ika intensify last week. Siku moja omwaka osomusacho onyago sustain injuries akachane kebuyu kebwate liquid and the lady the maid was so curious kuona sijaona wakona mzozo ndio na sijaona I don't know why she was so curious but aka make sure omanyirengi kenga sekebuyu ekyo and akaenakia ekikenga sekebuyu ekyo ne petrol akatema kuini kwaya why mbona uko na petrol akamubori nkieke kama tebine lyogori chinzuri chatonyarire nyumba ga ono totete tuchiseri. The lady was not satisfied but agatenga agatari bone ngochiko yakaro kimai mugosoro tigantigane story ye angegaiga. But the lady was so suspicious. On the fateful day now, ige gotebekana according to the nanny, umuswati oyo narenge gose nwarenge as one of the shops una nagatebia asa hakora ubonjoria na igeteko gochika sibuna na igeteko gotebia umuswati oyo no monjorerie giata omonjorerie tinkuma no mokorie gas no monto okomeki obwate multi-million business bona kamate musacho akamatenga nchu nyumba there is an emergency gokora ngambwango umuswati tachite gokora kende akaminyoka agatiga abafanyikazi bande bakonya gukora ayo biashara bakora ni business akacha nyumba ekaraika nyumba umusacha akatebi maid ono yo soka isko achi teremuka trimboka uchase ground unyako bako gusabusie ebintu ebyo iskali muswati oyo maid tachite gukora kinde agateba these are grown ups aba ni grown ups. There's a probability umusacha wandebring and iskali there's a probability they need privacy. So I don't want to interfere with their privacy. Probably they want to solve their issues because banyali kwa baba kutwala issues every now and then. And if this time watachukua hii time mzuri banyali kwa baba ku solve their differences, then it's good thing. Wacha tu niende niwape privacy. Akagenda lende gochiko sabusie bintu ebyo on the ground as a ground. Kolende taigeti no as a ground okoigwerio gi pa kai inki eke umuswati kakoni okoigwerio gi umuswati uyibono uyukuru kwa esta taji before aligereri no maiga akayunga pa uno mulipuko kiraligereti akaromuriro umutindi akora ni ryoki ya gikuru nyumbabu ryoki nyinge kabisa umuriro umonge kabisa likamutuba akaba confused yani nga nabumuriro chagete iko the main chanzo, the source of this fire ne petroli eyu kagire umusacho oyo amwagerete nyumbabu before anyale ko bakagotongia enyumba eyu na anyate ko bakakumusiekera the wife. And from the reports, from the postmortem reports ntonyorete from the results egotebekana nga umuswati oyo narenge strangled. So I don't know agamo migete ebigoti akama kumusiekera nyumba akamwe gutongia umuriro because now the only person anajua ukweli ni the late ambaye hata tuambia and the man who is sustaining injuries and currently oyu korwanire obugima bwahe asinya gitari nene ya Kisii level 6 ingwaniga premature decisions bunecho entomaete birecha naro katikati yeito and entomaete there's nobody who is perfect onde taiyo ore bold like bona to kombiwa na kende gionsi ngia kokogosa nobody nona bakoromba tebetenga waterere mboli mumura apana. So there is nobody who is perfect, yes, nainde birecha nara amona intwe ntomaete iko but a decision almost sacho ya megeti ni ya bwanko mono. I think ali kuira chingaki ajite mkutano airangeria ka mkutano kakeigo na bali ko make a very mature decision kaki abantu baminto mbasororega. I'm not saying this because I'm perfect. I'm not saying this because inkakiruchi kusinkaki morigete apana. Twenspi enseye unatole otomenyerete asogo semania. Nsemingo semito semani tolende bunatomenyete asi obuiko bobwense nyuma tutararangeriwa. Boniga tigambate bya abantu baminto. Kama obwanchani oboikire chingaki obwangire tigatolani totigo force issues. Let's learn to work out. Tiga tosome accept and move on than making such silly decisions. Ambazo as I'm very sure kanye omosacho yu ke konyalekananga he will make it out of ICU ataishi ku regret this silly act because this is silly. This is silly. I'm not in a position to judge this gentleman because a very different way on how we react to some issues. na ndi buna naigete kuguchika rigwekero rikobetete naye urigwete buna rikobetete into nabo togoteba nga gwakakania mang'ana ati you could have done better than this, but we don't know the intensity. However, what I'm saying, this is not the good decision alifanya kabisa. The best thing, I'm not the best in advice, mimi si expert in this advice, lakini kere bintu byangire, let's learn to accept, let's learn to move on. Tiatobaba ngora ko make some of the decisions turameki korende yakire wakorekana. I can't judge. Mwenye alifanya hivyo anajua why alifanya hivyo, though we condemn this with the strongest terms possible. Tikatobe kamarunse tunyole family, especially family ya Esther Samasabo, because it's very hard for his immediate family ase abana bali bamenyete komo nole. Okay, and the story is that this lady is unable to bear children, and the story is this man na nyomete bakanyola abana babiri kinyaruka, then after that wakadivorce no mukungwae. So until the time I meet Esther, this man was living as a single father. So until wakakutana wakamake a decision waishi pamoja, the Esther akakuja akaadopt wale wasichana wawili na akawafanya wawe kama wake babe buna abana baye. As the time went akaamua tiga ngadapt no omomura bono akadapt akamwana kande babire bakomenya na abana batatu as a family until this incident vile ilifanyika hivi. So I know the pain imekuwa kwa hii family because of this premature decision. I know probably hata mzae alikuwa hana, otherwise ilikuwa imemfika mwisho. Tunaweza condemn mtu tuone hata hakuwa anafikiria kufanya hizo vitu, like alikuwa amefika mwisho. However, what I'm saying, the best thing to do ekero amanga ingana bune yako nyolile, look for somebody mwenye anaweza ku advise, ongea na watu, zungumza. Sometimes jiite kama mkutano, jiambie this and this and this ime happen, what next. Abantu wa Minto tigatuikane ange toseme nsemi ngosemi tosemani elinde obugimo buguna tometo bwiko bwense enyoranga kera a decision tokora neri mature, at least neri informed, na ndeti katosabe nyasaye atorokererie ekiagera bono. I think bire January munaintwe korende turasabe tumera na samaso tosemani na togoserio mobe birecha. I don't know ekerenga kia ongereki according to this story, because nimekupea summary. I'm going to make sure that the video, once they are ready before the end of today, you are going to be notified. So the best thing to do, no kwenda sababu ase bali get subscribe onyale koba koko subscribe nande turn on the notification bell alama nirabu ya ekengere koko turn on. Once to upload a video enkeniga, you will be notified automatically na YouTube, na utakuja hapa teke uwe among the first viewers kutazama hiyo video. So tolikira ujumbe kabu nsabe se comment section nga kibirenga pia ubire igoro ingane ika yanya takoba keko kolekana ime ya Gusii Daraja Mbili Italiane nesi bon neye Gusii TV.